everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on aeroplane. Aeroplanes fly high in the sky. They have wings and engines. Wright brothers invented the first aeroplane. There are different sizes of aeroplanes. Pilots control flights from the cockpit. Modern planes use advanced technology. Jet engines or propellers provide thrust. Commercial flights are convenient for travel. Aeroplanes connect distant parts of the world. Aviation evolves for efficient and comfortable travel. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.